International and continental organizations laud environmental conservation activities underway in Ethiopia. According to the organizations, many Ethiopians are taking highest advantage from the conservation activities. Representatives of these organizations in Copenhagen Climate Conference believe that the move enabled over 2 million Ethiopians ensure food security. Rael Teklayanis presents the story filed by Ashabur Gitinet.
This film displays the environmental conservation activities undertaken by residents in northern part of Ethiopia to ensure food security. It also shows how the land management project is successful to lead stable life by ensuring fair utilization of natural resources. The land management project is implemented in over 70 districts of Ethiopia, including the environs of Amhara, Tigray, South and Somali states, as well as the Dredawa town administration.
Merit is a shining example of a proven, sustainable, scalable solution. It is homegrown, it is led by the nation, with over 300 communities in crisis now being able to support themselves with food self-sufficiency.
The people were also able to protect the land from being eroded by constructing 26-kilometer terrace. These model activities were premiered at the Copenhagen negotiation to inform others what is going here regarding environmental protection. On the occasion, World Food Programme Director Josette Sheran said 3 factors have contributed to the success of the project. First, the director said, because the project is administered and implemented by the government. Second, efforts have been underway to scaling up best practices in the area. And thirdly, the establishment of land development system in utilization of natural resources. The director said the project is sound and a reflection of practically proven activity. According to the director, 80% of people who live in developing countries do not have food security safety net programs. In contrast, they said the project in Ethiopia aims at land rehabilitation in the country. Chairperson of African Union Commission, Jinping, for his part, said the project indicates Africa has a number of best practices to share with the world. He also gave his testimony that Ethiopia is on the right track to change and development.
You see changes in Ethiopia. Really, Ethiopia is moving fast everywhere. The city of Addis Ababa has been drastically transformed. Big highways been implemented.
Prime Minister Meles Zenawi, on his part, emphasizes the significance of conserving environment to address problems caused by climate change.
It is possible to live. It's possible to manage climate change. It is not necessarily rocket science. Environmental rehabilitation is not beyond the capacity of the illiterate peasant to understand. We know because we have seen it. So we do not have to wait for the latest technology to emerge to do what we can do today. That's what you have proved.